Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello and welcome back to friends. Welcome to back my conversation. This is MK. Today I'm going to show you how can you download Google Play Store and Google Play Store services and Google Play Store framework in your Xiaomi phones, in Xiaomi China phones. So let's do it. First, you just connect your internet with your phone. I just connect Wi-Fi. Then go to MI Home. Or if your phone already has Google Play with China version, just open it. So I just go on MI Home here, as you can see, and just signing in. Okay, just signing in. Or I will go to Chinese Google Play Store and just click on. I don't know the language, so I just continue to click here and click here. As you can see, the download process continue 0 to 100%. Already Google service framework downloading, so I just click on install. And also Google account manager is downloading, so I just click on install. Okay, done. Now Google Play services are installing. Already 3 apps already installed, as you can see, up to 6. Let's wait. I don't know the Chinese language, but I can see the apps names something Google something, Google something, Google Play something, and Google something something, and Google something, and other Chinese language here. Is in my personal opinion, I can say you that Chinese ROM is more faster and more friendly for all. But in my Chinese ROM, I also customize all of my themes and notifications and touchscreens. I have already also a global version, Xiaomi Note 5 AI, and this is Xiaomi Note 5 AI Chinese version. I have both of them. In my previous videos, I already shown how to use 2 SIM and 1 SD card at a time, and how the gaming performance of Xiaomi Note 5 AI and the camera performance, and also the other function or settings, and also unboxing in my previous videos. If you don't see them or watch them, please go back this channel and watch them. 73%, as you can see. Oh, sorry, I don't mention it. I already showed you a video of this charging and charging time and video playback version, so you can also see this. Okay, just click on install Google Play services. As you can see, Google Calendar sync, so don't worry, just click on install. The calendar will be synced automatically, and the Google contacts syncing now. Need permission, you just click on install successfully. details or done. I click on done. Now click on done. Most of the app already download. 6 to 6, as you can see, it's 87%, 88%, 89, 90. It's very easy to install Google Play Store or Google Play's other application in the xiaomi phone. If you have basic knowledge of how to install any software in your phone, you don't need to worry or going somewhere else to make this software or download the software. Okay, now the Google Play Store finally 8.3.7.3. I just click on install. Okay, it's only downloaded, so I just click on open. As you can see, it's opening, checking info. Friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe this channel. In this some days I will create a video, the Note 5 AI Pro and Note 5 AI camera review. Camera some pictures. You will enjoy it, I hope. Now I just sign in my Google account. So এখানে মিউট হবে, এখানে কোনো শব্দ হবে না, জাস্ট এখানে ফলস হলে মিউট হবে। Password dia almış. Konuşmak bir şey. Password güzel. Al gel. Ne kliği var? Güzel. Çıktı. Aynen. Atıyor zaten. দেখছিস না সত্যি আরে দাদা আর দেখিন রে বন্ধে ওকে আই জাস্ট এখান থেকে ভিডিও শুরু হবে 1 2 3 গো. Okay, I just put my password in it and just click on the next button and I agree the term and conditioner. Checking info. After backup, okay, also I want to backup my Google Drive. Okay, I agree. Okay, as you can see, the Google Play Store already installed with English version. No, you can see no Chinese language or no Chinese apps in here. So I just download any apps from here. I just download a simple, small app. Just naming free calls. I just download photo editor apps, PixArt. And install, click on install, proceed. Download spending. এখানে এটা ফাস্ট হবে, ফাস্ট এন্ড ফরওয়ার্ড হবে। তারপরে ট্রেনিং থেকে শুরু করে কি রে বেটা Estás Siriano di grado. Seriously? করতেছি ওটা। ওকে, এখান থেকে শুরু। ইনস্টল হওয়ার সাথে সাথেই 3, 2, 1 शुरू. Okay friends, as you can see the download is already happened and installed. Just click on open and allow. The software already opened. Just okay, as you can see the software already downloaded. So that's the point. So friends, thank you. Hope you like the video and enjoy the video. Please subscribe and like this video and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?